What is the difference between legal and physical custody?
In New Jersey, the difference between legal and physical custody is a pretty substantial one. Legal custody deals with decision making regarding your child. So those are the major decisions, not the day-to-day stuff, okay? Whoever the child is with, whether one parent or the other, that parent is going to make the day-to-day decisions. However, big decisions that will impact your child oftentimes only once, or things that will change the course of their life. Those are the decisions that parents make together. So those things tend to involve health, education, and welfare. Whether your child is going to go to parochial school or public school, whether your child is going to have a major surgery, those are legal decision-making items. Now, physical custody, on the other hand, deals with where the child is going to reside primarily. Sometimes parents say, I don't want to not see my child. It wouldn't be fair that my child live with my former spouse, because they believe that physical custody means I'm not going to see my child. And that's not the case at all. Physical custody for legal declaration purposes often deals more with child support than anything. But the primary residence of the child is what we think of when we talk about physical custody. You can have a relatively equal share of time with your child, even if primary physical custody vests with one parent over the other. So it's important that you understand the consequences of a declaration of physical custody, because that will determine things like which school district your child is assigned to. That oftentimes can also determine who is going to receive child support for the benefit of the child, even though both partners have a legal responsibility to pay child support for the benefit of the child. Legal and physical custody, they interrelate to each other, but they are not the same, and it's important to speak with your divorce attorney about those distinctions.